creative kids at home with the Livermore Public Library. My name is Caitlin and today we are making volcanoes! That's right! Using the power of chemical reactions, we are going to observe what happens when you combine baking soda and vinegar. Let's take a look. Let's gather our supplies. For this activity, you'll need baking soda, distilled vinegar, dish soap, some water, an empty water bottle, a measuring cup and a tablespoon, a garbage bag or tablecloth, and optionally, some Play-Doh. Step 1. This is optional, but you can use your Play-Doh to make a volcano shape around your water bottle. After you complete this demonstration, your Play-Doh will end up completely covered in vinegar. So be sure to use Play-Doh that's past its prime, and you're pretty much done with it anyway. Step 2. We are going to make the mixture that's going to go inside the empty water bottle. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of dish soap, and 4 tablespoons of water. Mix well until the baking soda dissolves. Then pour the mixture into the top of the empty water bottle. Step 3. Wash out your measuring cup. Then measure out 1 cup of vinegar. If you want to make your volcanoes foam a fun color, add some food coloring at this point. When you're ready to make your volcano explode, make sure to step back for a second and then pour the vinegar into the top of your water bottle. See the chemical reaction at work! So that's it for today's Creative Kids at Home with the Livermore Public Library. I hope you enjoyed your baking soda and vinegar volcanoes. If you are interested in other science demonstrations or experiments, or if you have an interest in learning more about real volcanoes, click on the links below in the description. I'll leave some searches you can do to find those items in the library's catalog. You can either get some of them digitally or physical copies you can check out and pick up through curbside pickup. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time.